It's panel removal time on this 2022 Porsche Cayenne. Starting with your gasket stick, slide it in this trim piece to open it up, just like this.
That's cool, Dad. You did great.
Starting on the far left corner of this trim piece, use a thin plastic card to create an opening. With your pry tool wrapped around a microfiber towel, slide it in behind the trim piece and push forward. I have this pry tool wrapped around a microfiber towel to protect the soft leather from leaving any type of indentations. After you have this trim piece unlocked, slide it to the left to remove it, and then put it in a safe spot.
Moving on to this little light, use your pry tool to open it. Now take out the screws like my dad is doing, just like this.
With your left hand on the bottom of the door panel, lift up firmly to release the door panel. Then you're going to put it on hooks inside the rail so that the panel is secure.
Just like this.
Because this gasket is connected to the entire door panel perimeter, lift up the gasket and fold it over the rail right here. And now it's ready for bottom loading.
Thanks for watching my dad's video. Protect everything you love with XPEL.